Presenting our officials for this match. First referee, Miss Joy De Imus, AVC International Referee. Second referee, Mr. Paulie Sanchez, National Referee. Let's welcome our starting lineup from our crisscross King Crunchers. Let's begin with jersey number 1, Angelo Nicolas Almendras. At number 2, Jaron Reckington. Wearing jersey number 4, Kim Malabunga. At number 5, Jude Garcia. Number 14, Esmilzo Joner Polvorosa. And number 16, Giancarlo Glorioso. Starting libero is number 22, Manuel Sumanggit III. Head coach, Mr. Anusorn, Coach Tai Bundit. Calling on our VNS Laticrete Griffins. Team captain wears jersey number 8, Charles Jordan Segi. At number 3, Jan Mangulabnan. Wearing jersey number 5, Roderick Medino. At number 6, Kenneth Kulabat. Number 14, Rash Nursidik. And number 20, Raiden Balian. Starting libero is number 21, JM Espanso. Head coach, Mr. Ralph Ocampo. This is match number 20, preliminary round, season 8, open conference of the Spikers Turf, where power meets passion.
And there you have it, your starters for the King Crunchers wearing orange today. Requinton, Glorioso, Almendras, Garcia, Malabunga, Polvorosa, and Sumanggid, the usual suspects for Coach Tai Bundit. On the other side of the court, Coach Ralph Ocampo is fielding in similar names that we've been seeing. It's just Medino who will be starting this time. Last time, he chose to start with Codenier instead. Yeah. So it was Codenier who started instead of Medino. So that's the biggest change-up compared to their previous match against Signal. And this is their second match here already in this prelims round. And in their first match, Crisscross breezed through it in 3 straight sets. First blood drawn here by Almendras. Very familiar territory for Nico Almendras.
Very familiar name, Nico Almendras, of course, one of the veterans here in Spikers Turf. Also from NU.
Bringing in that college experience. They go to a quick, but that is going to be wide. That becomes a crisscross point. 2 straight points for the orange shirts.
And for Vines, they have to be very careful in this match. They have to start like high intensity.
Yeah, I mean, you can't take it easy when you're up against the veterans in crisscross. They go to Medino on the open side, but that's a solid block right straight to the face of the libero for crisscross.
A young Medino against 2 tall blockers of crisscross. Of course, we have Requinton there. Talk about him earlier.
Polvorosa now serves for the King Crunchers. It's picked up there by VNS. They go up to the quick to Balyan, and Balyan gets the first point for VNS.
Gandang bawi for Balian. They need that. Of course, one of the top scorer here in VNS.
Captain CJ Segi
CJ
with that
Segi.
serve. They go up to Requinton, who hammers it down, but that's going wide for the orange shirts, and that becomes a VNS point.
But, challenge, but...
Okay, King Crunchers looking for a block touch. However, call is reversed already.
Umami ng VNS.
No,
for a challenge.
Yeah, no green card will be awarded there, of course, as it happened after a challenge was called. Sometimes umaamin na yung mga players, no? Kasi syempre, kailangan na nilang patuloy lang yung laro.
That's right. The momentum kasi. Minsan,
Sayang.
hindi kailangan ma-stop. Depende sa nangyayari. But with the cross-court hit there.
Medino getting the 2 points that VNS has. As we have Raiden Balyan serving for VNS Latikrit. Very young players here on the side of VNS. Polvorosa going up to Garcia. That leaping ability that we've seen him pull through from college. Mas mataas pa yata tumalon ngayon.
That's right. Talagang hindi mo mababa ang talon itong si Jude Garcia. Habang tumatagal, parang mas tumataas ng mas tumataas. MVP, of course, Jude Garcia.
Glorioso with that serve. It's a tough one for VNS. It hit coming from Medino on the other side. They go to Garcia, who goes down the line.
Of course, Jude Garcia still hindi mabasa ng blockers dito ng VNS. With the setup there by Ishpol Morosa.
Glorioso continues to serve now. They go up to Kulabat. Kulabat tipping that over. Oh, Garcia!
Wow, Jude Garcia. But grabe din yung coverage na pinapakita dito nitong Chris Cross. No? Kitang-kita mo yung maturity ng players. Alam mo kung sino yung kukuha ng bola.
They're not backing down. Hindi nila hayang mamatay yung bola sa kanila. Especially when you're up against a younger squad. Parang pride mo na din yun eh. 5-point lead for Chris Cross.
Ooh.
VNS trying but Medino unable to convert. That becomes a point for the King Crunchers as we enter our first technical timeout.
Complacent. Happiness aside, they know that there are still so many lapses to address and skills to polish, especially because their eyes are set on the goal. Ayaw muna nila pangunahan ang mga laban. For them, it's important to take it one game at a time. The team puts so much emphasis on respecting their opponents, whoever they may be. And while they're up against a younger squad today, sabi nila na grabe yung dedication nila sa sport. Didikit talaga sila. Grabe yung puso nila at ang dami rin naming natututunan sa kanila. Nakaka-inspire sila at dahil dito, lalaban din kami. Balik sa inyo, Cinch and Yos.
Thank you so much, Fiona. And they are really putting up a fight here. They're not letting this game go, and they're not taking it easy. You know, I was just looking while we were on a break about the average age of VNS. Their oldest player inside the court right now was born on 1998. That makes him 20. That makes him 26 or 27
Yeah.
pa lang.
We all know, no? VNS. Ang dami na po-produce ng mga batang players
Yes.
talaga.
And that just goes to show the grassroots program that we have as well here. As that block was denied. Imagine the experience of these kids that they're getting from their kuyas like Jude Garcia and the like. People who have been with the national team both in beach and indoor. And then, yun yung dadalhin nila as they grow up at the young ages that they are in.
That's right. And alam natin, madami ditong nare-recruit papuntang collegiate team or other teams pa. Ooh! But with that, Malabunga hit. Talagang hindi natin nakikita yung relax no? Walang relax dito for Chris Cross with that hit by Kim Malabunga.
Look at that. Be quick attack there coming from Kim Malabunga. Just really finding the corner there. And now, Jarna Canton will be serving for Chris Cross. Mangulubnan going to Nursidik on the other side. It's denied. Kulabat will try this time, hitting that over the triple block and getting a check.
Those are the kind of hits na kailangan itong VNS. Alam natin, yung established ng blockers, itong crisscross, talagang 3-man block.
And that's not the usual system that Coach Tai has when he coaches the women's. But in the men's, he really is taking it seriously as they get a point here, courtesy of Jude Garcia. Coach Tai Bundet there on your screens, who has developed a 7-point lead here for the orange shirts. Garcia now serves. Going for that jump serve. Oh, still very sharp. Mangulabdan will try winning that joust against Almendas. They go up to the pipe. Garcia tipping it smartly.
Garcia there. Ang bilis ng kamay eh. Kitang-kita natin, no? Mid-air. 3 blockers. Kita niya, medyo naka-atras yung depensa doon ng VNS.
And talagang pinush niya to the side na medyo malayo dun sa receivers or sa possible defenders. Another solid serve. Medino adjusting in mid-air. Oh! Quinton though.
Wow,
Showing some
Espolvorosa.
firepower as well.
Yes, that's right. Espolvorosa activating the back row hitters for crisscross.
And that already signals that something is problematic on the side of VNS, and this will force a Ralph Ocampo timeout.
Hindi pwedeng ganito, RK. Kailangan niyo ibagsak. Kailangan malakas yung palo. Hindi pwedeng spin-spin. Kasi yung kalaban niyo, binobombahan tayo ng serve. Binobombahan tayo ng atake. Malakas mag-block. Kayo, pagka-receive niyo, malakas na nga yung serve. Pag binigyan tayo ng moment umatake, pumalo kayo. Hindi pwedeng ganyan. Hindi pwedeng ganito. Yung makinig ka. Hindi pwedeng ganito. Paluin yung bagsak mo. Tumabang ka. Go, go, go. Kayo.
RK Medino asked by Coach Ralph Ocampo to really swing it and hit it when given the opportunity. It's about maximizing your opportunities as well. Hindi ka pwedeng magpapababaya. Pag nandun yung chance sa harap mo, di ba, you grab it.
Of course, we all know, no? Bata itong VNS, and of course, magandang opportunity to for them
And
to
that,
get more exposure. Lalo na pag bata ka, palo. Palo ng palo talaga.
but aside from exposure, I remember talking to Coach Ralph last conference as we appreciate that point courtesy of Nur Siddiq.
Siddiq.
Yeah. A solid quick hit there. He has been the lifeblood in the last game that they had against Signal. But, you know, I got a conversation with Coach Ralph. Sabi niya, part of the things na tinuturo niya, hindi lang exposure, kundi pati maturity ng players. Polvorosa going up to that quick. Adjusting there was VNS. They go up to RK from the back row. On the other side, activating Jaron was Polvorosa.
Ooh.
And the net infraction will be called against VNS. Seems like Coach Ralph will be challenging this after Balyan mentions that there wasn't a net fault.
That's right. Sayang yung dig doon ni Nur Siddiq kung may nag-net touch on that sequence. But walang nakaramdam eh. Sa blockers itong VNS. But minsan kasi sa bilis talaga, hindi mo mararamdaman. Baka mamaya, damit lang nilang sumabit.
You know, you also like Coach Ralph's kumpiyansa, yung confidence niya sa players niya. Nung nag-request yung players niya na wala ako talagang touch, dun siya tumawag ng challenge. Because I think Coach Ralph was ready to let that go and just sustain the point. But let's see as to what results will this challenge have. Was there a net touch or none? We await for the results from our officials as it's a 9-point game here. And you're seeing Coach Ralph Ocampo. You know, he also mentions to me that part of his coaching here is like parenting. Because maraming ang bata and some of the players might be in high school or early college. So their coaching style requires a lot of fatherly love, fatherly advice.
Of course,
and,
the guidance.
care.
Kasi
Yeah.
most of the players naka-dorm din doon eh.
Yeah.
Sa VNS. And malapit din doon nag-aaral. And
And,
of course, malalayo sa mga parents and yun yung kailangan talaga nila.
Yeah, ang biggest goal niya is of course ma-recruit yung mga bata din at some point and for them to have a future. As we look at this challenge, was there a net fault? And it's clear there in this footage that there is no net fault. So that is a successful challenge for Coach Ralph Ocampo. Hindi naman nagsasmile si Coach Ralph.
Serious. Game face
Masyadong
on si
seryoso.
Coach Ralph Ocampo.
8 points is the deficit of VNS Laticrete as we have Resh Nursidik to serve for the baby blue shirts. Pick up there by Sumanggid. Polvorosa going up to the to the back quick. Adjustment going to Almendras.
The maturity of the players of Crisscross. Very steady, the set plays. Alam na alam lang sila padadaanin yung bola eh.
And now, a new standout and the former national team member Malabunga to serve. Oh, that goes straight to the net.
Few errors of Crisscross na kailangan samantalahin naman itong VNS.
A welcome point for VNS Laticrete as Mangolubnan will be serving for the boys wearing blue. Polvorosa bump set going up to Almendras. I never imagined I will utter those words. Polvorosa to Almendras.
Before magkalaban.
Yeah. But now it works beautifully as we enjoy that point.
Actually, the defense of VNS was there, but yun nga, no, medyo wala sa, hindi nakukuha eh. Sobrang lakas din ng mga palo na binibigay nitong Crisscross.
Oh, ball is still alive here. Crisscross keeps it alive. Almendras popped up there by the libero. On the other side, Garcia playing center to Requinton, a very familiar beach volleyball combo. Almendras getting that through the block. And that gives a 10-point lead to
Yun lang yung alam ko. Apat sa. Apat sa. Apat sa. Mia the apat sa. Apat sa. Apat sa. Apat sa. Apat sa. Apat sa.
dahil naman ni Ish, inulit lang niya yung lyrics eh. But thank you so much to our ever jolly Ish Polvorosa for being game to sing along to Rose and Bruno Mars as they lead by 10 points here. Polvorosa on that familiar jump serve. I love na bumabalik na yung jump serve ni Ish Medino going cross court, picked up there by Sumanggid. They go up to Requinton. Oh, what an angle for Jaron.
What an angle there by Jaron Requinton. Actually, yung mga ganun types ng talagang ball control, makukuha mo din talaga yun sa beach volleyball eh. So you need a lot of ball control there. Kaya pansin mo, no, si Requinton and also Jude Garcia, yung hawak nila sa bola, parang alam na alam nila kung saan nila dadalhin talaga eh.
Tsaka may angulo talaga. It's an intentional placement as they're going to try to score here on the side of VNS with CJ Segi, but an easy answer by Jaron Requinton.
Wow, what a defense there by Crisscross.
Look at that again. Segi getting that through the block that was picked up. A scrappy pop, and then Requinton just going for the vertical. Ish with that serve, over received, dumped there, and returned by Gian Glorioso.
And very dominant start for Crisscross.
As dominant as 13 big points.
That's right. With
Polvorosa.
70%
Attack efficiency.
efficiency for Crisscross with only 20 for VNS.
And then you add a service ace to the mix. They're just 5 points away from closing this out. So talking about the orange shirts, this is a far different complexion to what they did in their first match. That serve this time checks in. It's awarded to Crisscross. That checks in. Oh, this
What a
will be
challenge.
challenged this time by Coach Ralph instead for ball in, ball out.
Well, it's really hard to tell because from our angle, talagang minsan ang hirap makita lalo
Yeah.
pag sobrang lapit ng bola.
It's a different vantage point, of course. That's why we have the aid of the 20-plus challenge cameras all are over the court to show it to us in slow-mo and so we could inspect it frame by frame. Yun naman yung advantage ng technology ngayon, Yos.
And
That's
inside.
in. That hits the line.
That's right.
So good call there from our referees.
Mas kita niya nasa taas siya.
This time, may reaction na talaga si Coach Ralph. Hindi na siya nonchalant. This is now a 15-point game. Ish with that serve, picked up there by CJ Segi. They go to that quick to Balyan. On the other side, Mangulabnan going to Segi again. He's denied. Everything working here for Crisscross, blocking service and hits.
No coverage on the side of VNS with that segue hit.
Medino has been checked out. And we welcome
Guerro.
the entry of Guerrero.
That's EJ Guerro for VNS.
On blocks, Crisscross has 3-0 of VNS. Meanwhile, on aces,
Ooh.
2-0 of Crisscross.
And instant point for Guerro on that open hit.
Look at that again.
Yan yung mga kailangan talaga minsan sa mga substitution Yung maiba yung tempo,
Impact points.
impact points.
Oh, but an easy impact point for Gian Glorioso, who regains the lead up to 16.
And of course, alam natin talaga ito si Ish Polvorosa. Ang daming options for Crisscross.
Well, he's not a veteran playmaker for nothing. Almendras with that serve, picked up by the libero. Mangulubnan goes up to Hero. On the other side, Hero tipping that
Oh.
over, finding a perfect spot. Just switching it up, outsmarting his kuyas.
2 straight points for Guerro with that drop. Ang layo doon niya si Sumanggid. Medyo malayo ang depensa.
Balyon going for the jump serve, picked up by Sumanggid. Polvorosa with that bump set straight to Almendras, who hits that out. I mean, Garcia rather.
Jude Garcia trying to target that end line.
Great intention. As we see Ken Kulabat, the former Red Warrior. Balyan continues to serve. Oh, sharp serve. Polvorosa, combination play. Oh, nobody home to cover for Crisscross. And now VNS enters double digits.
And good read there by the blockers of, that was actually Guerro once again. So it's 3 straight points for Guerro. Good substitution there for Shralpo Campo.
Maximizing his minutes in the court. Balyan continues to serve. Picked up there, Polvorosa. Oh, that's over-received, and VNS taking advantage of that.
Alam natin, no, medyo malaki yung lamang ng Crisscross dito, but hindi pa huli for VNS.
VNS catching up here. Balyan continues to serve. They're down by 12. Going for the jump serve. Picked up there by Garcia. Polvorosa chooses Riquinton, who pushes it. On the other side, they go to Guerra, who is denied.
Finally, Crisscross stopping Guerro on that side. So, alam natin si Mangulabdan, no? Alam niyang mainit si Guerro sa mga atake, but this time, nabasa na yun ni Jude Garcia.
Set point moments for the King Crunchers as they serve, picked up there by VNS. They go for a quick hit and Nursidek converts.
Yun naman yung isa dito sa talagang top scorer nitong VNS. Isa sa mga aasahan lang si Nursidek. Those quick hits.
12 set points is what VNS has to catch up to extend the set. It's not impossible, but Pulverosa going to Malabunga to convert. Ends the set with a 13-point gap. Crisscross wins 25-12. The Inari Sports Arena, as we look back at set number 1 highlights, it was a very dominant set for Crisscross at the tail end. Signs of life were seen from VNS. However, Crisscross was able to close it out easily, and VNS still looking for their groove. Glorious.
Still, Crisscross still very dominant in this first set. Starting strong, and for VNS, medyo slow start, but yun nga, no, medyo nagkakaroon sila madaming errors, and yung mga palo na binibitawan dito ng Crisscross, ang lalakas na dun sa pwesto ng VNS, but too much power for them, and also the blockings na binibigay din dito ng Crisscross, and also the set plays and the ball distributions of Ish Polvorosa has been very effective for them.
And looking at the numbers in attacks, blocks, and serves, all the scoring skills, dominating talaga itong Crisscross. But it's the opponent's errors. Very great game for both squads. They limited it down to less than 5.
Of course, very limited errors, but yun nga, yung atake kasi na binibigay ng Crisscross. 17 points against only 8 itong VNS, and of course, the blockings for Crisscross, 4 against 1, and also the service aces na binigay din ng Crisscross for VNS. 2 against none nitong VNS Latin Crit.
So VNS has to figure things out in other ways, and Crisscross looks very impeccable. Now, before we get back into volleyball action, other volleyball actions are happening right now. The UAP Season 87 Volleyball is live and exclusive here on Signal TV. Watch it all live on the UAP Varsity channel, on One Sports, and on the Pilipinas Live app, because legends start here. Earlier, actually, we had the UAP men's volleyball happening. It was a great first game. It entered 5 sets. Imagine that.
Oh, wow.
The Davids of the league, Adamson, challenging the defending champs, NU. And then rivalry match, second game in men's volleyball. Ateneo LaSalle, but ended in 4 sets in favor of LaSalle. Quick updates.
Volleyball season.
Ano talaga? Hampasan, dikdikan, at paluan season na talaga. Happy ang volleyball fans, syempre, as game and action continues here at the second set. Kulabat to serve. Oh, what a quick hit there for Glorioso, but ganda ng set ni Ish Polvorosa.
Ganda ng base nito si Polvorosa. Tama yung kay Glorioso, no? 3 straight points already. 3 points na itong si Glorioso. Coming into this second set, Almendras with 5 points. Malabunga with 2, Requinton with 5, and Garcia with 7 for Crisscross. And Segi naman for VNS, no? Nakakarami na rin.
CJ Segi getting his first point of the match. Captain has been quite quiet in
Talagang nabantayan din
3%,
talaga
yeah.
nitong Chris Cross. Alam nilang talagang pupuntahan din itong si Mangulabnan, itong si Segi.
Yeah, I mean, he was the main gunner last year. Now, Nursidik has been stepping up in their previous match as we appreciate that back row attack coming from Nico Almendras.
Talking about options for Chris Cross. Ang daming options dito ni Ish Polvorosa, but a challenge called by BNS, foot fault.
Let's see.
Actually, hindi ko nakita eh. Nandito yung linya sa tapat ko, pero nakaharang yung monitor. So,
Sisihin natin yung monitor.
sisihin natin yung monitor. Kasi
Kasalanan
last time,
ng
kita ko yan eh.
Pero hintayin natin as to what the results for this foot fault challenge. I think our officials have found a specific angle already for this, and we will have the results in a few. Chris Cross was saying, rather VNS was saying there was a foot fault, but of course that's a vantage point there. But here,
Wala,
clearly, when you're perpendicular to the attack line, it's clear. Unsuccessful challenge, so Coach Ralph loses a challenge opportunity. Glorioso will now serve for the orange shirts. Oh, no whistle has been blown yet. Too excited was
excited.
Gian Glorioso. Bit too eager. Gian to serve. Mangulabnan going up to the back row, and Geo finds a way.
Gero coming late on that first set. Now siya yung nag-start dito for VNS on the second set. And Mangulabnan setting him up. Trying to activate early on this second set.
Jan to serve. Ish going up to Riquenton, getting that through the
Ooh.
blockers.
Nakalusot pa rin itong palo nito si Requinton. Blockers were there. Kaya lang medyo dumulas yung palo niya doon.
Pinadulas.
Pinadulas.
Zaran with that serve. Mangulabnan going up to that quick. That's read by Enjiga. Enjiga getting that set from Sumanggid on the other side. Segi adjusting, picked up by Garcia. They go up to Jude Garcia, flying high but hitting the antenna.
Too much angle for Jude Garcia. Medyo nakalabas na. Pero kita niya kasi naka-open yung blockers itong papuntang zone 1. But yung setup naman ni Ish Polvorosa medyo lumabas na.
CJ Segi with that serve. Polvorosa going up to back quick. Wow.
And Giga, first point of the match. Kakapasok lang. Instant point.
Textbook play for Ish Polvorosa for that quick. Garcia serves now for Chris Cross. Oh, loaded serve, Mangulabnan trying to make something out of that. They go up to Kulaba to tip that over. Ish going up to the pipe. Oh, triple block works for the Griffins.
That was Villa Cruz's on that block. Finally, reading the back row hitters of Chris Cross. That was actually Kulabat on that block.
Kulabat getting the hand of that. Tied at 4. Tighter second set here. Polvorosa choosing Nico. Oh, sweepers ran to the back. Almendras rolling that over with an off speed on the other side. Kulabat will answer. Picked up there by Garcia. They go up to Riquenton from the back row. Great pick up there. Great digs from both sides.
Ooh.
A solid block coming from Enjiga. Closes things up.
That was too close to the net for Kulabat. Medyo masyadong dikit na dikit at abang-nabang na yun ang blockers dito ng Chris Cross. But a good start for both teams. BNS having a few points there on the block.
Enjiga going for that jump serve. Mangulabnan going to Gero, but Gero overcooks that one.
Too much power there for Gero.
2-point game. Serve again coming from Chu Enjiga. Wait for that jump serve. Oh, that's out. 1 point game. VNS behind. Geo now serving for the Griffins. Picked up there by Almendras. Nico goes cross court. Popped up there by the libero. They go up to a back quick, and that works for Nursudik.
Yan yung mga hindi natin masyado nakita on the first set eh. Yung mga response itong VNS, yung mga depensa. So tingnan ako sa depensa, nakakuha sila magandang quick for Nursudik.
That's what's important to maximize your middles. So you'd be able to snatch some blockers later on. However, that serve goes straight to the net and gives the advantage to Crisscross. Ish now to serve. They're up by 1, talking about the King Crunchers. Pick up there by the captain, Segi. They go to Kulabat through the blockers. Polvorosa was there for coverage. Sumangid will play setter. Riquinton.
What an angle there by Riquinton.
Uhaw, buhay na buhay pa rin ang fighting spirit niya. Lumalaban siya ngayon para sa pamilya niya at para sa sarili niya. Ang dating bata na nangangarap lang makaapak sa ligang katulad nito, ngayon andito na at nakikipagsabayan din. Rash told me that it was fate that brought him here, but he always puts in the work because he doesn't want to take anything for granted. He owes it to his younger self and to all the younger athletes he wants to inspire, to show them that if they dream hard and work even harder, anything is possible. Now back to you, Sinch and Yos.
Thank you so much. A very timely report as we are, of course, celebrating or in the presence of the holy month of Ramadan for our Muslim brothers and sisters. The 26-year-old Muslim, of course, is in a moment of fasting, but still performing pretty well here as he sets up Kulabat. On the other side, there was a misstep there from Ish Polvorosa.
Medyo nadulas. Ito si Polvorosa.
Naplante yung paa niya.
Minsan kasi yung paa mo yung sa medyas, dumudulas yun sa loob ng sapatos.
loob ng
Actually, doon ako
sapatos.
na-injury 2 weeks ago.
Kasi kung ano ginagawa mo.
Sa volleyball yun.
Akala ko ba retired ka na?
Retired na. Pero yung mga laro-laro lang na.
Lumalaban pa din eh.
Kasi malapit na yung liga natin.
Parang pumalo. Parang ganyan pumalo si Yos. Parang yung palo doon. As you look back at that slow-mo, what happened to Polvorosa? Oh, there you go. Planted his left foot and then a misstep on the right foot when he was trying to plant it to start his approach. Jan going up to the open side, and that's a point for the captain, Segi.
That's right. Finally, Segi with a powerful hit.
2-point game. Crisscross still in the lead. As yung report ni Fiona, si Rash Nursudik will be serving. Oh, that's straight to the net.
Too low for Nursudik on that service.
They really have to limit their faults. They can't be giving free points here to Crisscross because that's deadly.
For sure, natin Crisscross, hindi kailangan ng free points.
Yeah.
Sa dami ng options dito ni Ish Polvorosa.
However,
But
it's an exchange gift. Maaga ang Pasko. 2-point lead as look at the setters. Polvorosa with 8 excellent sets so far. Mangulubnan with 6. in service faults. You saw the numbers on your screens earlier. Mangulabnan going up to Segi. Segi hits that off the block.
And once again, that CJ Segi hits in yung mga kailangan dito talaga ng VNS. So far, kanina, bantay na bantay siya on that first set. But this time, hitting it off the block.
Now the biggest change now, it's just a 1-point game.
Ooh.
And Crisscross looks more challenged here. They go up to the quick. The answer coming from Ricanton on the other
Ooh.
side, getting that off the blockers. Great effort from Villacruzes earlier. And Hero.
Almost a good block there for VNS. Actually, di mo talaga kailangan kill block naman eh. For VNS, nila kailangan mag-kill block lagi itong Crisscross. But kahit tumama lang sa kamay o yung katulad kanina, nakakapunta sila, bumabalik sa likod ng court itong Crisscross.
They just need to get that rebound as Segi continues to hammer down.
Another off-the-block hit by CJ Segi. Ito naman, no, kahit bata pa, kita natin yung maturity sa paglalaro eh. Yung mga decision-making niya sa pagpalo.
Parang ganyan ka din naman, Yos, pag
Ay, wow.
kalaro kita. Garcia with that hit on the other side. Kulabat down the line. Oh, that's alive.
Wow.
On the other side, chance for VNS. They go to Kulabat off the blockers. Coverage was there. Sumanggid will keep the ball alive. Garcia putting it over. Mangulabnan setting that one up. Dumping it was Hero. The tip coming from Polvorosa, closing things out.
Hindi niya kailangan patagalin. Sabi ni Ish Polvorosa with that drop. Second touch. Medyo nagkaroon pa ng konting struggle sa depensa itong VNS. At sinamantala yun dito ni Ish Polvorosa.
Looking at the bench of Crisscross, grabe yung combination ng players dito, no?
Sobrang lalim pero hindi pa natin siya
Yeah.
nakita. So far, hindi nahayaan itong si Coach Tai.
Nakaabot pala yung backup setter niya. Nagko-coach lang yun kanina, si
Jewel.
Jewel.
Tama.
Sabay ko, halos yun
Halos sabay kayo. Parang nauna yata siya.
Great block there. Look at that, Mangulabnan with that back set. Going
Ooh.
for that hit, but Almendras, familiar territory on that left pin.
Of course, the combination of players. Itong Crisscross, no? Talagang daming guys sa UAAP.
Yeah. This is a all-star team.
NU, Ateneo, Lasal. Of course, Penny from Mapua as well.
Yeah.
And few UST players. Arbaso and Requinton.
Great combination. I mean, some of these players were part also of Urbisco's beach volleyball club team. So they've been absorbed to the Crisscross indoor team. Mangulabnan going up to the back row. What a hit for Segi.
Jaran Requinton was actually there, kaya lang hindi nakayuko.
Actually, if titignan mo din naman yung VNS, all-star din naman sila in terms but of a younger
Generation. Talagang iba din yung pakiramdam pag nakakalaro mo yung mga nauna sa'yo eh. Iba doon, ina-idolize mo pa. Ang dami mong matututunan.
Narinig ko yung mga VNS, hinihintay ka daw maglaro ulit.
Ay, wow. Parang
Kasi
okay na ako dito.
Kasi napanood ka daw nila. Ilang taon kaya sila nun, no?
Uy, grabe ka naman. Bata pa tayo.
On Service Aces.
Five for Crisscross and
3 for
3 for
VNS.
VNS.
Ayaw kita, malalaglag kita pag mag-VNS.
Okay lang naman.
Napanood pa kita, Yus.
Uy, grabe ka naman.
Oo naman, napanood pa kita, Yus. Garcia going up to Almendras. That denied coverage was there. They go to a quick up. Great coverage on the side of the orange shirts. They go up to a chance ball for VNS. Mangulabnan will make something out of that. He goes to the opposite side and that works for Gero.
Gero, once again. Talagang binibigyan ng puntos itong si Gero. Ito si Mangulabnan. Alam niyang mainit pa rin itong si Gero. And ang daming puntos na kuha nitong VNS off the block.
Double sub here for Coach Ralph. Guerra is entering as well.
Another young player for VNS.
Howard Guerra, who is just 15 years old.
Yes, that's right.
Wow.
Oh, yun lang. A tall setter for VNS.
At 15. And that gives a 2-point lead to Chris Cross as we enter the second technical.
Kasi kahit anong pagkakamali mo, if mali yung pag-take mo dun sa mistake mo yun, pwedeng maging sanhi yun ng pagka-down mo or pwede mong gamitin para maging motivation or para ma-up ka pa sa buhay.
Great quote there from our young one. But of course, what's also great is you could get your daily dose of sports updates on Starting Lineup. Mondays to Fridays, 6:30 p.m. live on the Pilipinas Live app, on One News, and also available on One Sports and One Sports Plus. Yan, a very informative show na marami tayong matututunan with just listening to their conversations on the starting lineup. Almendras going cross court, picked up there by the libero. They go up to the open side. That's dumped over by Medino. Oh, Almendras getting a check.
A check and also a net touch by VNS. We can hear, no? Very man of few words, Coach Tai. Rinig natin, power. Lakasan daw, sabi nitong si Coach Tai. For
Simple
Almendras.
instructions, but very direct. Pulverosa with that serve, Kulabat with a pickup. They go up to Medino on the open side. Kulabat adjusting on the opposite side. Pulverosa going to Garcia. Wow, what a hit.
Almost a good save for VNS, but too much power for them.
Look at that again.
Once again, itong si Ish activating all his attackers actually.
Guerrero back in the court together with Mangolubnan. Seems like the double sub did not work for Coach Ralph. Serve coming from Polvorosa, picked up there by the libero. Mangolubnan will try to dump that over. Glorioso was right there. They go to Kulabat, picked up there. Polvorosa will pop this one up. Chance ball coming from Chris Cross. Let's see what VNS will do. King goes up to the back row. He's denied.
Good read there by the blockers of Chris Cross. Kala ko sa quick na ibibigay but Mangolubnan finding CJ Segi on the back row but nabasa ito ng blockers of Chris Cross.
Polvorosa with that serve on the other side. They go to a quick hit. And that is out for Nur Siddiq.
Too much angle there for Nur Siddiq on that quick hit.
6-point lead now for Coach Ralph. Timeout.
Nag-error lang tayo na nag-error, guys. Sayang. Sana yan, 16-14, no? Sa error lang na error. Isip lang ulit maganda. Go tayo, yun lang.
Go. Isang ikot lang. Bilis! Win!
That's just a wake-up call for Coach Ralph. It was a 2-point gap. Now it ballooned to a 6-point deficit for them after consistent faults and infractions on their side. As we see Majoy Baron, of course, visiting us here. They are having a break right now at the PVL as they await for their opponent. PVL still in the play-ins. And we have the bromance of Kim Malabunga and Rex Intal on the sidelines. Yes, Yos?
Okay.
Care to say something?
Wala naman po. And
Oh, that's out. Back to the ball
outside,
game.
Yes, outside. Medyo ano lang medyo kinilig lang ako ng konti. Sa bromance.
Sa bromance.
Yes, sa bromance.
Sige, maghanap din tayo ng bro mo dito. 2015, 5-point lead for Crisscross. VNS playing catch up here. Polvorosa going up to Nico Almendras. Favorite niya eh. Yung parang
Yung ganong
4 na medyo mabilis.
Parang tres likod, patong for Ish Polvorosa. Dami talagang options ng Crisscross. And for VNS, they have to lessen those errors, sabi nga ni Coach Ralph.
Oh, what a hit there coming from Rash Nursidik. Still looking like the bright spot for VNS.
Garcia's hands were a bit far from the net.
And Rash will be checked out by Arcilio. This is Julius Jao Arcilio, who will play service specialist here. He's listed as an outside hitter.
Born in 2008. College ka na nun.
Oh, hindi pa. Ikaw
Hindi pa.
ang college.
Ay, hindi. High school pa lang pala.
That quick hit coming from Gian Glorioso. Bakit may Ejevil dito?
Oo nga eh. And a substitution for Crisscross with that quick hit of Gian Glorioso.
Pemi Bangalay, will check in.
Mapua standout. Pemi Bagalay. And,
Who is also now the sports psychologist of the FEU squad in UAP. Wala lang, random fact. The answer from Crisscross is Almendras. On the other side, they choose Segi. Oh, the ball is still alive. This is still in play. They go to Saura, who is playing a new position now in the opposite.
the options talaga of Ish Polvorosa kahit sino ipasok ngayon. Now, Francis Saura on that opposite side of the court. Instant point for him.
Mangolubnan goes up to Segi. Segi gets that one through. Polvorosa goes up to the other side to Garcia. That's popped up by Saura. They go to the quick. All spikers up front were given touches already. On the other side, Segi again will answer. They choose Saura this time. That's denied. Nobody home for coverage for Crisscross.
But grabe yung depensa sa likod nitong Crisscross. Those digs of Pemi Bagalay and Almendras, but this time no coverage on their side kasi lahat nakaipon na dito sa side na to. But a good block there by CJ Segi. Reading Francis Saura finally.
We'd also have to appreciate the distribution of Ish. He was able to pass to every spiker up front, and this time, solid quick hit to Chu and Jiga.
Yeah, look at that height. Yung height ng quick set na yun, ang taas.
That's just complementary to the height of the hitter.
That's right. And for the blockers naman itong VNS, kailangan mag-adjust.
I mean,
But outside for Francis Saura on that jump serve.
still set point moments here for Crisscross. They have 6 set points on their side. Polvorosa going into back quick, and Chumazon and Jiga closes things out for the Crisscross King Crunchers.
What a back week there. Kung pwede lang yata mag 2 digits ang lahat ng players itong Crisscross, mukhang kayang gawin yun dito ni Ish Polvorosa.
Great distribution for Ish, great execution
2025 as we take a look at the set 2 highlights. Crisscross winning the first 2 sets, but a better start for VNS. And still the dominance of Crisscross, and they're attacking the ball distribution of Ish Polvorosa, giving them a lot of options for the attacks. As for VNS, still CJ Segi, still they need more of him, and the set plays and also that off-the-block hits of Crisscross. Almendras with 10 points already. Turkington with 8. And for Nur Siddiq with 5 points in this game. And let's take a look at the set 2 stats. 14 attacks for Crisscross compared to 10. 3 blocks for Crisscross and 2 for VNS, 1 service ace. A few more errors compared to the first set, but a better start for VNS.
Better numbers for VNS at that.
That's right, and that's for them. If they still want to stay on this match, they have to do better on their defense, and of course, their attacking.
And we'll see if things will change here. As you know, we'd like to thank Arena Plus, Astig sa Sports. And right now, in terms of attack percentage, Segi's attack percentage improved in the second set, 38% through to 0 in the first set. So that's signs of life there for VNS.
Bantay na bantay talaga
Yes.
siya ng Crisscross on that first set.
Polvorosa now serves for the orange shirts. Mangulubnaan going to that short running attack there by Nur Siddiq. Bagalay on the open side. And Segi getting the first point for VNS.
No touch for VNS. Oh, actually a touch
A
on
touch,
the
yeah.
side of Crisscross. A good start for VNS.
Rash to serve.
Heavy serve.
Polvorosa sets up Bagalay. They go up to Saura.
Ooh,
Oh, Saura's denied there by Segi.
good block there by VNS on that hit coming from the back row.
Change of guard here already for Crisscross. It seems like it's just Sumanggid, Garcia, and the Polvorosa who's left inside the court from the first starting unit.
Heavy serve once again for Nur Siddiq.
They go up to Bagalay. That's picked up there by Nur Siddiq. Hit coming from the back row.
Ooh.
Oh, double contact.
Yes, that was actually double. Set for Sumanggid. The spin of the ball. Actually, hindi siya talaga doon nakaharap. Okay lang kasi minsan na hindi ka doon nakaharap sa pag-setup, but the spin of the ball. Ooh.
Oh, however, Crisscross gets a break here and finally is able to get a point.
And once again, a free point for Crisscross. Ito naman yung gusto natin for Crisscross. No? Sa lalim ng bench, dami rin pwedeng ipasok. Ito si Coach Tai.
And all of them are stars as Segi will try to get a check there, but no go says the referee. First point, second point for Crisscross right there.
No challenge, but continue with Femi Bagalay service.
Femi with that serve. Mangulabnan going up to Guerrero who overcooks that one. That's a freebie for Crisscross.
Too much angle for Guerrero. Alam natin, no, talagang pinapatama sana ng mga attackers itong VNS sa mga kamay ng blockers. Dito ng Crisscross, kaya lang medyo malayo.
Mangulubnan will now go up to Segi off the blockers on the other side. Sumanggid was there. They go to the back quick. Oh, great effort on that first ball. However, VNS unable to keep that ball alive.
Almost a good save there by VNS with that Guerrero's dig. Medyo hindi lang aware itong harap na part nitong VNS.
Like sinasabi nga ng mga coaches, yan, presence of mind, ika nga nila. They go up to Gero. Oh, that's too soft for Gero.
Too far away for Gero on that back row.
Coach Ralph looking unhappy here on the sidelines. Squad seems to be losing their groove here. Mangulubnan goes up to Segi. He's denied.
And once again, the blockings of Chris Cross. Doon talaga nahihirapan makadaan itong VNS and of course CJ Segi. Talagang bantay na bantay. Alam nila kung saan dadaan. That attack of CJ Segi.
Mangulubnan goes up to Kulabat.
Finally.
Kulabat gets that off the hands of the blockers.
Finally hitting it off the block. Kanina pa lang ginagawa yun eh. Kaya lang, hindi tumatama. But this time, finally, tumama na.
And that's also recognizing the fact that the block is established on the side of Chris Cross. First ball woes here for Chris Cross as Garcia adjusts to that set.
What a setup there by Ishpal Borosa. Ang taas eh. Pakita natin, but Jude Garcia,
Mataas din naman kasi
mataas din
tumalon.
talaga yung talon with practice of beach volleyball. Ganun kasi sa beach volleyball eh. Talagang kailangan mo itaas lalo na pag off na yung receive. But a misreception there by the libero of VNS. Now, technical timeout. Chris Cross up by 4.
Out of every moment on the court, especially as someone who's been a second stringer in the past conferences. Now, as a starter, he's grateful for the trust the coaches and his teammates have in him. Right now, he's just happy to be here. Sa bawat puntos ng teammates niya, isa-celebrate pa rin niya na parang siya ang nakapuntos para maka-boost ng morale ng team. Now, to him, volleyball is his stress reliever, and he wants to extend this positive mindset to the team, whether he's on or off the court. Now, back to you, Cinch Enyos.
Thank you so much, Fiona. And he seemed very happy right there earlier. As we look at this again,
The blockings of
Solid
Chris Cross
block
with
there.
that Jude Garcia's block.
and if you enjoyed that solid block, a solid thing that also happening here in the Philippines, the 2025 FIVB Men's World Championship is happening here, and tickets are now available. So head on over to www.philippineswch2025.com and get yours now.
May ticket ka na ba? Hindi mo kailangan ng ticket for sure.
Hindi, kailangan natin ng ticket. Para sure yung upuan.
Oo.
Pero kung wala ka
Sa
naman ticket,
sideline.
pwede ka naman siguro manood sa Pilipinas Live.
Tama naman. Pilipinas app.
Yes.
Actually, doon ako nakatutok kanina while driving kasi feel ko malilate ako. Pero mas na-late ka pala.
O hindi naman late.
Konti
Sakto
lang. Yeah, sakto lang.
Kasi galing tayo dun sa isang
Oo,
game. Ang
tama.
dami kasing volleyball
Oo,
action.
dahil volleyball. Kaya nakatutok
Hindi tayo
din ako sa
nag-eka.
Pilipinas app live kanina kasi nga baka malate din ako. Titignan ko ang nangyayari sa first game.
Sinilip ko din naman goal here. Espanso going up to Kulabat off the blockers.
Yes, again for Kulabat with that off the block hit. Actually frustrating yun on the side of the blockers naman for Chris Cross kasi alam mo tina-target yung kamay
Yeah.
but hindi ka naman pwedeng bumitaw sa blockings kasi once na bumitaw ka naman, doon naman papaluin, papasok sa court.
It seems like all the spikers of Chris Cross have already played. Oh, we only haven't seen Arbasto.
Arbasto.
Yeah, and of course the setter Asia hasn't played. Pepito is now injected in. So yeah, so those are just the two players who haven't seen action yet, who are active in the lineup. Jewel Asia and Arbasto. We might see them a few moments later because Intal has already played.
And scored the point already. That's Intal with that quick hit. But another error on the side of Chris Cross.
That goes straight to the net. Yeah, everyone has played.
Mhm. Except for
Basto
Erbasto
and
and
Asia.
Asia. Baka daw kasi pagod pa si Asia galing UAAP.
Oy.
Kasabay mo.
Hindi naman. Hindi nakakapagod din mag-coach.
Mm.
Kulabat getting that through the blockers. That is going to be a point for Ken Kulabat.
Kulabat once again hitting it off the block. But still, no, ang hirap kasi talagang bantayan yan eh. Pagka pinapalo talaga ang target. Mga daliri. It's either umoutside yan kung di mo maabot or tumama sa kamay mo.
That was a good up though by Saura. Polvorosa going up to
Ooh.
Bagalay. Oh! Vintage Penny. Vintage.
Vintage. Di pa naman gano'n kasing tanda din talaga. Si Pemi Bagalay, one of the top scorers back in his NCAA days.
Yeah, for Mapua.
For Mapua. Pemi Bagalay.
Ilang taon na ba si Penny? Oh, bata pa nga. That hit coming from the back row from Geo. Saura popped up there by Geo. Kulabat will answer this time. Cross court. Intal was there. Oh! What an easy answer coming from Nur Siddiq.
And a good rally there for both teams. With that Kulabat hit.
Nur Siddiq.
At regalo for Nur Siddiq.
Kulabat serves now. They're down by 3. Polvorosa bump set. They go to Bagalay. Picked up there by Kulabat on the other side. Nur Siddiq denied by Njiga. Segi will try. Oh! Sa kalye, yan ang tinatawag na happy birthday. Kasi
Happy birthday daw. Baka
Mataas.
malapit na ang birthday ni CJ Segi. Kailan ba
Tingnan
birthday ni CJ Segi? June 27, 2004. A very young CJ Segi.
Polvorosa with that serve picked up by Kulabat. They go up to Segi. Oh! Block is out. Oh, Saura is challenging this for a check.
Actually, mukhang medyo tumama sa braso pababa, but
For last touch.
Mm,
Oh,
last
we
touch.
don't often see this challenge. So let's see who has the last
kasi
touch.
nakita ni Saure, nasa harap niya eh.
This challenge can only be used if it is in the net. That is a clear or on the net. If the action happened near the net during a joust or a blocking action, to clarify what the last touch or who had the last touch. So that is the context of this challenge. So since the action happened in the net after pumalo, na block and everything, let's see kung sino nga ba ang may last touch. Saura is insisting that may hawak sa braso, and seems like the footage is being retrieved already by our table officials. Let's just wait for the final footage. So this is one of 2 new challenges that was injected in, actually in all the volleyball leagues that we have in under Signal recently. So it's last touch and reaching beyond the net.
Padami na ng padami ang
Yeah.
ating mga challenges. Now, last touch.
Ano pang challenges?
Parang first time ko pang nakita to eh, itong last, touch. eh.
Ano pang challenges idadagdag mo kung ano?
Ano ba? Actually, nagtanong ako sa kanila before. Ano bang gusto nilang bagong batas ilagay sa volleyball? Kung ikaw, may bagong batas kang gustong implement sa volleyball. Ano yun?
Ano? Kasi diba yung buhok counted? Dapat yung buhok hindi na counted.
Hindi na ka.
Lalo na sa women's.
Mahaba ang buhok.
Mahaba
eh, no?
buhok ng women's.
A part of the body daw.
Pero I think that's fair, you know. A movement in the net is counted as a net infraction. So let's see. As we await the resolution of this challenge, this might take a long time because we don't often get this challenge used.
Kaya medyo mas matagal lang.
Yeah, but it seems like we do have a decision already that's going to be played back or not yet. Okay, and I guess we just have to enjoy the fact that the Crisscross Cane Crunchers still look very jovial here inside the court, still keeping their warm-up. Pepito has also stepped up here for Crisscross. No? Great challenge for Sumanggid. You have Sumanggid and Pepito, two prolific defenders on the side of the King Crunchers. But very interesting as to how this challenge would go. We don't often see this. So, oh there. Ayun na.
Parang ang layo nga.
Yeah, that seems far. Huh? Oh, that's clear.
VNS?
VNS has
Last
the last
touch.
touch. VNS last touch but unsuccessful challenge. We're still awaiting for final. We'll try to listen in. We have audio on our referees.
No last touch.
Wala daw last touch. Bola daw ng VNS. Saura was trying to contest that one. However, this has already been decided by Joy De Imus, our first referee. No whistle yet. No whistle yet, so too excited there was Nur Siddiq, who has 6 points already under his name. Pick up there by Sumanggid Polvorosa going up to Saura.
But outside for Saura, yun yung mahirap talaga pag medyo na papahingi. Medyo matagal. Lumalamig din eh.
Kaya minsan pag sa challenges, umaamin na lang kung meron talaga.
Para hindi ma-break ang momentum.
Yes.
But
Serve again from Nur Siddiq. Polvorosa going up to Bagalay. Popped up there by VNS. They go up to Kulabat from the back row. Garcia was there. Saura again, this time down the line on the opposite side.
finally, Sarah hitting it down the line of the defense of Nur Siddiq. Medyo na-late dun eh, si CJ Segi. Pero nakabukas na sana yung depensa for Nur Siddiq. But too much power for him.
Magalay continues to serve. They're up by 3. They go up to Segi, who tips that over, outsmarting his blockers.
A very young CJ Segi but very mature. Playing volleyball, yung mga decision-making talaga niya eh. But so far, nababantayan siya kanina pa nitong Crisscross. But this time, hindi niyang bumaba ang blockers.
Polvorosa going up to Chumason and Jiga.
Chumason and Giga still unstoppable in this game. Hindi talaga mabantayan pa dito ng VNS.
Crisscross regains the 3-point lead. King goes up to the opposite side. That works for Segi, who hits it from the right pin.
And once again, CJ Segi hitting it off the block. Medyo late naman dito si Rex Intal. Jude Garcia was there with that block reach.
They now go up to Rex Intal, who tips that over. On the other side, Tosguero, he's denied. Segi from the back row, scramble at the Crisscross court, but there's going to be a stepping infraction, or a net fault rather, against Saura.
Is it net touch?
Napa-backstep siya, tapos sumabit yung likod niya sa net. After his approach. They go up to Saura, he's denied. On the other side, the tip coming from Garcia. King goes up to Segi, who converts. Ties the ball game at 15. Ooh, tightest ball game we've had so far here at the third set.
VNS coming to life here on the third set with that Segi's back row hit.
Polvorosa setting that one up to Rex Intal, that familiar connection. Kulabat going cross court. Bagalay keeps this alive. Sumanggid gives a chance ball. Let's see what VNS will do. Espanso getting that one. Mangulubnan with a quick set on the other side. Ooh. Garcia unstoppable. Bring us to our second technical timeout. Crisscross lead.
Apat. 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 Ay, ipit. Ipit. Nagyal crazy all you guys. Apat. Aha.
Ang sure ako ngayon, yung players natin, hindi pa sila ganun kagaling sa lyrics. Kahit si Ish Polvorosa kanina, hindi nakuha ang lyrics ng apat. So, pair, ito ang sure tayo. UAAP Season 87 Volleyball is live and exclusive here on Signal. Watch it live on the UAAP Varsity channel, on One Sports, and on the Pilipinas Live app, because legends start here. Back to the ball game. Speaking of legends, UAAP men's volleyball legend, Jewel Asia, and coach now of the Green
De La
Spikers.
Salle.
Now here up in court. So si Arbasto na lang hinihintay natin. Yung
Hindi pa pumapasok so far.
ka-Golden Spikers. Asia to serve. Pick up there by Segi. Mangulubnan going up to Kulabat. Oh, easy point for Ken Kulabat.
Finally, a more clean hit for Kulabat.
Look at that
Kasi
again.
kanina, target ng off the block eh. Nakita niya, butas yung blocker. So, crisscross with that lava walk.
Serve coming from Villa Crucis becomes long. Crisscross maintains their lead by 1. Garcia now serves. Was 11 points already, 8 on attacks, 3 blocks. Does it add an ace? But he forces VNS to commit an over-receive for the Jaron McInton hit.
That over-receive by CJ Segi. And ang haba eh. Ang haba ng kamay ni si Jaron Regenton.
Jude to serve. Pick up there by Segi. They go up to the opposite side. Oh, smart play there. That's a ball touch. Great play there from Guerrero. He's been quite silent here the third set.
Here's a challenge on the floor by Crisscross for a block touch. Challenge, block touch, Crisscross.
Crisscross questioning the check that was called against them. Here, wait. As we're seeing pretty new faces left inside the court. It's just Requinton now who is left there. And in service aces in total, Crisscross already has 4. In faults, Crisscross is more high risk, high reward. 8 service faults already compared to the 6 service fault of VNS. VNS still looking to have their first ace. So was there a block touch? That is the question that is imposed by Crisscross. We'll find out the answer in a few. As we see the footage here.
Ang layo.
Oh. Parang wala.
Oo, layo din.
Okay. There you go. It's resolved. No block touch. So it's a successful challenge for Coach Tai Bundit and the rest of the King Crunchers.
So Garcia now in the service area with 11 points.
Sharp serve. King going to Nursidik. He converts.
And finally, quick hit once again for Nursidik. Yun yung mga kailangan ng VNS eh. Pagka magandang reception, nakakapatay sila dun sa quick hits.
Serve there coming from Gero. On the other side, they go to Rexenthal.
And the quick response also for Chris Cross. That's Rexenthal.
Grabe yung kondisyon ni Rex ngayon. No? Nangayayat siya.
Oo.
That's ano daw, coach tayo training.
That's
for
right.
Ish Pulverosa.
Actually, nakausap ko last time si Pemi. Ang hirap din daw talaga ng training nila. Pero kaya naman daw.
Well, nakakapaglaro pa sila. However, Nursidik, easy to respond. Look at that again.
And a good decision there by Mangulabdan. Maximizing Nursidik while he's in front. Kasi yung pag nasa likod na si Nursidik, medyo nawawalan sila ng quick base eh.
Serve coming from Kulabat. Bagalay off the blockers. Oh, that is return to sender. There's a net fault against Segi. Let's look at that again.
Wasted opportunity for PNS. Medyo na out of balance dun si CJ Segi. Oh. Papasok na yung bola. On the side of Chris Cross.
Well, hindi siya nag-net fault. Nag-foot fault na naman siya. Double sub is returned. Polverosa to serve.
Ish Polverosa, serving for the King Crunchers.
18 excellent sets already for Ish. Kulabat with that pickup. Mangulabnan dumping it over. Read well by Ish. They go up to Saura. He gets that point because there's a net infraction called against Segi. 4-point game as Chris Cross is just 3 points away from snatching the set. Let's listen to Coach Ralph.
Yun lang ha. Tapos iwas error tayo.
Apat lang yan, apat lang.
Atake tayo, dumikit tayo kanina eh. ha?
Apat lang yan, apat lang yan.
Steady reminders there coming from Coach Ralph Ocampo.
First, the errors of the players of VNS. So, medyo dikit lang yung game eh, but yung errors doon nakakalayo itong Chris Cross. And of course, patapos na din tong set na to. Kung gusto pa nilang magstay on this game, they have to lessen those errors.
Serving for the King Crunchers, their center, number 14, Ish Polverosa.
Polverosa will now serve for Chris Cross. They're up by 4. Need 3 points to close this out. Segi off the blockers. Popped up there by Garcia. They go up to Bagalay. Up! Garcia was there again. Bagalay will try again. Picked up there by the libero. Nursidik converts.
Almost a good save there for Chris Cross. Grabe yung pag-wipe ng depensa sa likod nito si Jude Garcia. But yun yung kailangan din ng VNS. Tsaga sa bawat puntos. Once again, there's a Dick. That big quick attack.
Serve coming from Nursidik. Polverosa chooses Njiga.
And a quick response by Chris Cross. Still, yung ball distribution itong si Ish Polverosa. Kahit saan siya humarap. Kaya niya iset kahit saan.
Pemi to serve. They're 2 points away from closing this out. Mangulabnan goes up to Gero. Gero from the back row converts.
Inside for Gero. Now they're down by 3 points. And still, Mangulabnan, no, talagang pinapagalaw niya din ang pinapagalaw yung mga blockers itong Chris Cross. Kasi alam niyang pag naka-establish ng block itong Chris Cross, talagang mataas yung percentage na ma-block nila. But another error on the side of VNS.
Wasted opportunity there for Chris Cross as Almendras will check back in here to serve. Match point moments here for the King Crunchers.
Number 1, Nico Almendras.
Almendras going for his jump serve. Picked up there by Segi. They go up to CJ. CJ gets that one through. Almendras is there for the pickup. CJ again, single block but denied.
Coming from CJ Sega's hit. Bumalik sa kanya, Regalo, hitting it off the block.
They go up to Rex Intal. Mangulubnan was there. Kulabat tipping that over. Great block there coming from Saura. Kulabat again.
Ooh,
oh!
Yes, for Kulabat with that.
VNS
Hit.
is knocking at the door of Chris Cross here. They're just 2 points away from extending the set.
Tsaga lang ang tsaga for VNS.
Oh, what a hit there. Coming from Rex Intal. Parang,
Inspired?
parang run.
Ano ba?
Parang running ng kaliwete.
Mm,
No, it's quite different kasi gitna eh.
be quick hit
Yeah.
for Rex
Pero
Intal.
si Jude na sa may test na eh. But that becomes a Chris.
Yung lakas syempre from my teammates, unang-una. We work hard every day, and so our coaches are as well are there for us to train everything that we need to improve on. So I think that's where the strength comes from, aside from, of course, our friends and families and God.
Okay, so now Ish, since you are the first team to move on to the semifinals, still, how important is it to have dominant wins like this at the Spikers turf?
It's very important that we win the games here in the elimination round. At, lagi kang sinasabi, at the same time, hindi naman natatapos yung tournament sa elimination round. So it's just a step towards our goal. And I don't wanna speak too soon, but hindi naman pwedeng mag-rely lang kami lagi sa performances namin sa elimination round. So kailangan pataas ng pataas lagi towards that semi-final and finals round.
Okay, so na ngayon naman, Ish, meron ka bang gustong batiin ng mga nanonood sa'yo, friends, family, supporters?
Hi Mama Jo Palvorosa there in Cavite, Jaira Palvorosa, Levi Palvorosa, and my sisters in Riyadh, Ate Janelle Palvorosa, and in Switzerland, Ate Jorena Palvorosa. Hello, Mick. Hello, love you. And to our supporters of the Chris Cross King Crunchers, thank you so much. Sir Jonathan, Ma'am Lizanne, Sir Alan, thank you so much po. And manood po kayo ng games namin. See you!
Yes, so thank you so much again, and congratulations to you, Ish, and to the rest of the King Crunchers. Now that's all from us over here. Back to you, Sinj and Yos.
Thank you so much, Fiona, and thank you so much, Ish. May tatanong tayo kay Ish mamaya. Yos.
Inspired yata.
Inspired performance as we look at the set 3 highlights. It was a tighter match. VNS almost knocked on the door of Chris Cross. However, Chris Cross was able to close it out, and really it's the maturity of Chris Cross that really was exposed in this match.
A better start for VNS, a better attacking on their attacking side, but the errors of VNS na nakocommit nila, and also the timing nung errors na napupuntahan nila, talagang kung kailan patapos na, and also pag nakakuha sila ng momentum, doon sila kung nagko-commit ng errors. As for Chris Cross naman, no, very steady pa rin talaga sila when it comes to
On. Our courtside reporter, Fiona Bacani, our director, Raul De Ocampo, and our game producer, Nick Earnshaw. This has been Sinjin Reyes, thanking you for joining us here at the 2025 Open Conference of the Spikers Turf, where power meets passion.